What is up, lovelies and gentlemen? It's Chastity. I'm here doing another unboxing. This one from Amazon. I probably have foundation in my hair. I also have a little on the back of my hand because I just got through doing a product review. And I ordered this on Friday. I don't even know what day it is. I ordered this on Sunday and I got it Tuesday. Or I ordered it Saturday and got it Tuesday. So it is the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fibers Shampoo. It is for weak, brittle hair. And it says Densify, Revive, Strength. It is made with exotic bamboo fibers, rich castor oil, and lush neem oil. Sulfate-free surfactants, and this is a 13-ounce bottle, of course. As always, if you're familiar with Maui Moisture, this is the regular size of their shampoo. It's green. I got this, yeah, I said on Amazon. So, I mean, I'm gonna just read this. It says number 1085 up here. What does that mean? Anybody know? No mineral oil, no silicones, no parabens, no gluten, no SLS, no sulfated surfactants, no synthetic dye, no synthetic dye, no ales. Yes, vegan. Yes, eco-friendly. Yes, pure coconut water. Yes, pure aloe juice. Okay, yes, honey. Yes. This is good for 18 months. They say feel good about looking beautiful. And while I'm moving my foundation. Y'all, I am wearing foundation, okay? I'm wearing foundation. Doesn't it look like my skin? It looks like skin. Oh my gosh. Aloe vera juice is the first ingredient. And they are very proud of that. They have it big and bold on the side of here. Oh yes, I got this because I got this shampoo because it's called Thicken and Restore, and that's essentially what I want to do for my hair. Oh, it did not have a seal on here. So it didn't have a seal on there. I mean, I'm gonna still use it, but it didn't have a seal. So I've never used the Maui Moisture. I have an eyelash in my eye and I was trying to get through it, but it's not gonna work. Okay, where are you? Okay, let's just yeah, it didn't have a seal. I don't know why it wouldn't have a seal. I don't know. I don't like that it didn't have a seal. I do like that it didn't leak out though. And I had this, yeah, today's Thursday, so it was just sitting in a box for 2 days, laying sideways and all kind of thing. It does smell, it smells really good actually. I want to pour it out so y'all can see how thin it is. It's not super thin. I feel like it's thinner than the average shampoo, but I also feel like it's kind of like the Pantene Relaxed and Natural, or Natural. I use both. I used it when it was Relaxed and Natural, and then I just used it when it was Natural. I put too much ginger in my tea. I put fresh ginger and then I went and put ginger powder in it. I forgot that I put the fresh ginger in it. Child. But this smells really good. You know what? I think it's actually thick. So yeah, it's It's in this type of, it has a, this. It smells so good. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this on here because I'm about to go wash my hair. It smells so freaking good. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna come back and tell y'all what I think about it after I get out the shower. I forgot I was gonna do it like that. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hair with this, and then I'm going to condition with the Love Beauty and Planet turmeric and tonka, I think is what I have. Because I still have some of that left. And so I'm just gonna use that conditioner along with this because I do still want to condition my hair, even though it doesn't go with this. And I think that's the way I'm gonna do it. So yeah, so I'll be back after I get out of the shower, and I will tell y'all what I think about the whole washing experience. Okay, y'all, so I did take a shower and wash my hair with the Maui Moisture bamboo shampoo, and okay, it was a nice experience. It smells really good. My hair is clean. My hair was not as dirty as I thought it was, because I guess turns out I didn't put as much oil in my hair over the past week or so since I washed it, so it wasn't really dirty. But I think that if nothing else, that shampoo is a good cleanser. It smells so good. I mean, it's just a really clean, beautiful smell. I'm putting glycerin on my hair right now while it's still wet. So yeah, the bottle is in the room, but you've seen it. No, it's in the bathroom. And you've seen it. As I was washing my hair with it, I was trying to notice, I was trying to notice it. It didn't feel rough on my hair or anything. It felt good, and it felt like how the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo feels. I think it kind of has that same feel. I didn't really feel like I was having like a different experience than I usually have. I used too much on the first shampoo, and I think that's just because I am still not used to the fact that I don't have that much hair. So but yes, it's soft. I felt like, I guess it's soft. I mean, I think my hair is kind of soft too, but yeah. And like, I could feel my curls after I washed it. Like I was like, oh, my hair feels clean for sure. And I don't feel like, let me see what my scalp looks like. Yes, my scalp is clean. So a very nice product. I can do an updated review after like I guess oh my gosh, next month is August, so maybe like next month. Yeah, I usually wash my hair around every 2 weeks, so after I use that whole bottle probably, then I can be like, okay, do I feel like my hair is thicker? Do I feel like it's stronger? Do I feel like it's, so we're gonna see, and we'll try that. Alright, so that's it. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and first impression. Like this video, please, if you like it. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about Maui. I don't really know that much about Maui Moisture. This is the first Maui Moisture product that I've ever bought, so I don't really know too much about it. So let me know what y'all think about Maui, and if y'all have been using it or have ever used it, and if you have anything, any products to recommend for me. My hair is 4C and 4B, I think, all over. It's different things in different places. Thanks for watching, y'all, and yeah, please do good and be good. Take care of yourselves and others, and I will see y'all on the World Wide Web. Bye.